take a jab shot.
Alright, radio as soon as the shot's taken, so I can drop more rounds.
Roger, over. Are you good?
Alright.
Am I in your way?
No. Going into seeker. Timing.
Oh no, where'd the rudder hole go? Whoever's there, he's still there. And he's about to be pissed off. Oh, hey! Rocket. From where? That way.
Hurry up. Sorry.
Alright. Yes! Suck that ass, you fuck! Woo!
Hey, mortars are going too.
Yeah!
Mortars are going too.
There they go.
Nice shot, bro.
Hey, that was a damn good shot, dude. Nice shot, brother.
Yeah, that's fucking automatic. I see the spot. I see where they're at.
You see him?
Yeah. Put your head down, man.
Yep.
There's another, somebody's right over here, too.
Yeah.
Like, give me the IAR.
Yeah. I think they're right down the alley. I get way off. I don't know. I can't maybe that ain't it. They're close, so.
Right down that alley down there?
Yeah, that's where it's coming from. The
There's a couple guys down there, second guard. So.
were they right down the alley?
Yep.
What's the range on that?
Give me the plurf.
Hey, plurf.
Plurf.
This rifle does not.
Very close one.
Yeah, he's electric
showing up every time.
You look to the right about 100 meters. You see that little structure?
Stand
Without
by
the roof,
for
yeah.
distance.
Shot.
Incoming.
That was a.
Yeah.
That was something big. I don't like the sound of that.
Hey, can we get a direction and distance to him?
We already passed it up. 533 meters, 292 degrees. All right. Roofless building.
Red Def Echo.
All right. Roofless building. If you look where the doorway is, with the goes straight up from there, about 150 meters. You'll see a compound behind it, and the right side. The right side of the wall kind of steps down.
Yeah.
All right, that's where he's at. John's not ready yet.
Hold on. Get too crazy.
We'll have to get up on this here, I think.
Hey, somebody's gonna need a spot that's not gonna get browned out.
Yeah, I got the spotty scope right behind you.
You might get browned out. You might need to go up where Maya is.
Where who?
Right here. Oh, right next to that fucking barrack. Great.
Alright, I got I'm at 550 elevation, 6 left wind.
Alright, is he up right now?
He is not.
I'm on the steps.
Yeah, he usually comes up on the left side, far left, a little next one up.
Hold on. Wait.
Whoa.
I'm good.
I don't need you to blow out my eardrum.
He's down.
Got a rebate on his life.
He's barely up. What's your dope? What do you got your dope for?
Me?
Very good.
I'm at 550.
Come down 0.1. I'd rather you hit in front of. I'd rather you hit the face of the back.
Alright, down one.
Alright. Control. Damn it. Short count. 3, 2. One of them. On that
I think
down below.
fucking threw rocks in my foot.
And he's fucking definitely fucking gone. Did you see it? Was it a hit?
Yeah, right after the rocks finished coupling my face.
In between the what's the range on that rope? Oh fuck, I think I see what you're talking about.
I see him standing up. Somebody would stand up and black man jamming.
That's fuck, that's gotta be a false reading. I'm hitting the 659 meters. I think I'm hitting the power lines. 657. I didn't see any smoke plume.
No, that was from a different area though, because I know we got shot from that way. That one, last one.
See if this is black on 4.
Yeah, that last one was more southwest.
Roger, we were taking sporadic accurate fire from the northwest region. Locate now.
I see that standing. He was standing up, now he's down.
Yeah.
Because he was wearing black man dress. He's right on the berm, right?
Yeah.
He's down now for sure.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
I have no idea where mine went. I couldn't see. And my gun just fell off the berm too. The wall.
Okay, let Will on. Red Death Mortars, Red Death FO.
Send it for mortars.
Roger, did you get my correction? Right 80, add 50, over.
Roger, we're trying to.
Do you need my direction? Over. Red Death Mortars, Red Death FO.
Send it for mortars.
Add 25, over.
Are they gonna fire it in this way?
No, might as well.
Add 25 up.
This is Red Death FO.
No, it's the same.
Got it, dude.
Man, I thought it was going to be a quiet day until that came
Man.
over.
Yeah.
You guys don't got a SWATs up here, do you?
What's up?
You guys got one of the SWATs up here?
No, we don't. Solid copy, 4 Alpha out. Alright, what was that?
Could you give me the sass maybe?
What?
Oh shit.
What do you want?
I'm gonna take the sass for it.
You know, you got it.
That was a
That impact was way back there. You see
Yeah.
that? See the smoke plume?
Yeah, I see it.
It came from back over here.
Yep. Here. Alright, so
Where do you see the impact?
came from the northwest.
Red Death CP, Red Death FO.
Impacted. Let me get a range for you.
Roger, we have some indirect fire come from the northwest.
1,000.
It'd be round landed 1,000 meters to our south.
It's not that deep.
Red Death FO.
Did y'all see any smoke come up from over there?
No.
They gotta have somebody spotting this. Although I doubt they saw that around there.
What's the distance you guys got dialed on this?
That was for 800. Right?
That's what I'm looking at right there. It's on 5.
That's Mills.
Okay. I'm not
This is
familiar
Red
with
Death
this
FO.
stuff.
Red Death FO.
Approximately 3 feet to the right of the hole, and the wall goes down.
Where's he at, dude?
He's out here in between this goggle telephone poles.
Okay.
Sitting around in the motor hole, and the head snap back, fall down past that.
Do you have a weapon?
Portion of the wall over.
Not that we can tell.
Roger, no copy.
CP, this 4 Alpha. We just took 2 more pop shots from the northwest. They appear to be coming from roughly the same area as the last ones, but we can't locate them. So instead of having ISR of a 16 break, can we push it up more to their north, because we don't have eyes on city.
Roger.
That was a response that instilled fucking confidence.
We're Alpha.
What's the effects that you have, Ron?
Anybody over there, if they're not dead, they ain't happy.
There's still a lot of dust in the area. I can't see what happened to the wall, but it was a direct impact, and then mortars had good effects too. Over.
Blackheart CP.
Landed 300 meters to our east.
They're getting a lot closer. That was pretty close.
There's a big puff of smoke. Like that tree line up there.
The tree line on the ridge?
No, come down from the ridge where the ruins are. That first tree line. Behind there, there's a big puff of smoke. Then it looked like a vehicle squared out to the right.
Hey, there's people up on the hill.
Yep.
To the left great wall.
Shot.
Yeah. Incoming. Here. That sounded like it came from fucking
Red Death CP, Red Death
west
FO.
southwest.
We are now taking sporadic, accurate full arms fire for our position over.
I swear to God, dude.
I got a guy on the hill. You see that large tree, pine tree with the
Yeah. Up there you go.
He's way the f out there.
Oh yeah.
He's about, let's say 1380.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walk leaving behind the hill.
He just dropped down and deflated.
We have at 1500.
Hey,
It's coming from over.
done.
Close.
Yeah, it is.
Alright. I know where. Got a dude back by this alleyway by satellite dish. Walk to the left. Lost him. Look like an old dude. One of white man jams.
Shot.
Coming.
Incoming.
Yeah, it is.
I was gonna say that. It's coming from over there.
Yeah. Hey, Jung. See if you can see where it's coming from up there.
Smoking.
He's back.
Got a little bit of cold rush in my veins from the adrenaline. That was nice.
He's shooting at
Very
us.
reprieve from the heat.
Is he still there?
He's just popped up and went back down twice.
No impact.
Hey Greg, we hooked that 55-90 up to that low Z
At
and get it up to the
6080 mils.
we just shot.
Your pros forgot.
Where's the 5590 at?
You guys got eyes on 2 air fire.
Did you bring up that battery?
It was it's 25.
If I get ready to shoot on this 50 cal, I'll say going loud out loud, so you cover your ears.
Here, pass.
Hey, Maverick, I gotta ask permission to shoot. Well, if we get
That's 338 degrees at 550 meters is where we took that machine gun fire from.
Say again?
338 degrees at 500 meters. 550 meters.
Roger, just fire, pour out.
Direction 6010, distance 550, over.
Roger, copy, direction 6010. Can you say again, distance over?
Distance 550, over.
This is Red Death FO, send it.
Spotter.
Roger, distance 550 out.
Guy walking in the middle of the left to right, he didn't have anything.
550 meters.
There's a guy on a bike going to the right, going left to right.
Those two guys I just saw, they went from right to left. Now there's a guy truck.
Go see him personally.
You guys see it?
Yep.
Did you see it?
One punch tree right here.
Lunch tree.
There's those two large trees right there.
Yeah, the skinny ones?
Yeah. If you see the large one right to the left of those,
Yep.
that gap, in that area, get one of the two tree lines, that one, and the ones on the far left, is where they're firing from.
Yeah. Fucking right over.
Told you, Jung.
What?
You're gonna come from this side. Told you.
They're probably